Today I used two new smartphones, the Honor Magic 7 Pro and the Vivo X300 Pro 5G. I want to share what I learned. Later I will compare their design, display, performance, cameras and battery. I will not go into details now. This is just an overview. If you want to buy one of these phones, you can find the latest prices on Amazon. The links are in the description. Both phones are very new and have many good features. I will talk about each topic carefully. It is interesting to see how they differ. I will help you decide which phone is best for you. Please stay with me as I compare these phones step by step. My goal is to give you clear and simple information. This will help you make a good choice. Now, let us begin with the body design and feel of these two phones. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is slightly larger and heavier than the Vivo X300 Pro 5G. The Magic 7 Pro measures about 163.6 mm by 74.6 mm by 8.9 mm. It weighs around 230 grams. The Vivo X300 Pro 5G has a body size of 162.0 mm by 75.5 mm by 8.0 mm and weighs about 226 grams. Both phones are made with glass front and back and have an aluminum frame. The Magic 7 Pro feels solid and premium in the hand. It is a little thicker and heavier, but still comfortable to hold. The Vivo X300 Pro 5G is slightly smaller and lighter, which makes it easier to grip for many users. Overall, both phones feel high quality, but the Magic 7 Pro has a more substantial feel. The display is very important when choosing a phone. The Honor Magic 7 Pro has a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED screen. It offers a refresh rate of 120 Hz and HDR10+ support. The screen can reach a peak brightness of 2,800 nits. Its resolution is 1,368 by 2,924 pixels, which gives about 453 pixels per inch. The Vivo X300 Pro 5G has a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display. It also has a refresh rate of 120 Hz and HDR10+. Its resolution is 2,820 pixels by 1,260 pixels, giving about 452 pixels per inch. Both screens are sharp and bright. They support high refresh rates for smoother motion and good color quality. The platform and performance of these phones are very powerful. The Honor Magic 7 Pro runs on Android 14 and uses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. This is a very fast processor. It has 8 cores and a high-quality Adreno 750 GPU. The Vivo X300 Pro 5G has Android 16 and the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chip. It also has 8 cores and a Mali GPU. Both phones are designed to handle heavy tasks and games easily. They load apps quickly and run smoothly. The Snapdragon chip in the Magic 7 Pro is known for its speed and efficiency. The MediaTek chip in the Vivo X300 Pro 5G is also very capable. Overall, both phones are excellent choices for people who want good performance and speed. Memory and storage are very important for many users. The Honor Magic 7 Pro offers options of 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB of storage. It also has 12 or 16 GB of RAM. The Vivo X300 Pro 5G provides storage options of 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB. It has 12 or 16 GB of RAM as well. Both phones use UFS 4.0 or 4.1 storage technology. They have no slot for a memory card. The choice depends on how much storage you need. Both phones offer plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. They are good for users who want fast data transfer and large storage capacity. You can choose based on your storage needs and budget. The main camera system on these phones is impressive. The Honor Magic 7 Pro has 3 cameras. The main camera is 50 megapixels with optical image stabilization. It also has a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with optical zoom. The third camera is 50 megapixels ultra-wide. It can record 4K videos at 30 or 60 frames per second. It also supports 1080p videos at 30 or 60 frames per second. The Vivo X300 Pro 5G has 3 cameras as well. Its main camera is 50 megapixels with optical image stabilization. It has a 200 megapixel telephoto camera with about 3.7 times optical zoom and optical image stabilization. The third camera is 50 megapixels ultra-wide. It can record 8K videos at 30 frames per second and 4K videos at 60 or 120 frames per second. Both phones have excellent main cameras for photos and videos. The selfie camera is also very important for many users. The Honor Magic 7 Pro features a 16-megapixel wide camera. It can record 4K videos at 30 frames per second and 1080p videos at 30 or 60 frames per second. It also has HDR and a TOF 3D depth sensor. The Vivo X300 Pro 5G has a 50-megapixel wide selfie camera. It can record 4K videos at 60 frames per second. Its high megapixel count helps take clear and detailed selfies. Both phones have good front cameras. The Magic 7 Pro offers high resolution and video options. The Vivo X300 Pro 5G provides a higher megapixel count for selfies. Your choice depends on whether you prefer higher megapixels or more video options. Battery life and features are very important for daily use. The Honor Magic 7 Pro has a 5,400 mAh lithium polymer battery. It supports 100-watt wired charging, 50-watt wireless charging, and 5-watt reverse wireless charging. The Vivo X300 Pro 5G has a 6,510 mAh lithium-ion battery. It supports 90-watt wired charging and 40-watt wireless charging. Both phones can last a full day with regular use. The Magic 7 Pro can charge quickly with its high-wattage charger. The Vivo X300 Pro 5G also offers fast charging and longer battery life because of its larger capacity. Your choice may depend on how much battery you need and how fast you want to charge the phone. Both options are very good for all-day use. In conclusion, both the Honor Magic 7 Pro and the Vivo X300 Pro 5G are excellent smartphones. The Magic 7 Pro has a larger and more premium body feel and a very bright display. It is powered by a fast Snapdragon processor and offers plenty of memory options. Its main camera is versatile, and the selfie camera is high resolution. The Vivo X300 Pro 5G is slightly smaller and lighter, with a high-quality display and a powerful MediaTek chip. Its camera system is very advanced, especially with high megapixel sensors and 8K video recording. Both phones have large batteries and support fast charging. If you want a device with a big, bright display and a premium feel, the Magic 7 Pro is a good choice. If you prefer a lighter, more compact phone with advanced camera features, then the Vivo X300 Pro 5G may suit you better. You can find the latest prices on Amazon in the description. Choose based on your personal needs and preferences.